So if you've ever owned a humidor with a hygrometer on it that looks like this, then you know that these guys are pretty much useless. If they do work, it's not for long, and then you're left with a glorified ornament. So I decided if I was going to be left with just a pretty decoration, then I might as well find something pretty to decorate it with. So I went on eBay to find something that spoke to me, and I realized that nothing quite says leon other than a nice lion. Knowing that the line would be too small for the gap, I picked up a couple decorative washers from Home Depot. And now all we have to do is put it together. So we open up the humidor, pop out the hygrometer, and try to place our line. So I took a screw with a couple washers on the back end, thread through one of the decorative washers, and feed it through the other side. And there we are. Much better than dealing with a broken alternative, right? I will say if you are trying to get a hygrometer for your humidor, just invest in one of these digital ones. They're fairly inexpensive and they don't take up this beautiful real estate. I mean, look how much of a difference that makes, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a fun little DIY that you could do at home. I know a lot of guys suffer from this problem. So yeah, look at getting a doorknob or a handle, something that pops and shows your personality a little bit more. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.